Today we're making a really good cobbler for any occasion. I've got a bag of frozen whole blueberries and this is a bag of whole strawberries. So pretty, we're just gonna put them right on top. Such an easy cobbler for you to make if there's company over for the weekend or the holidays. These are so pretty. I love using whole strawberries. And I like using the whole strawberries for this because of the way we're going to be making this dessert. Just a few more. I've got a bag of the Snickerdoodle cookie mix. I know we usually use cake mix. It comes with this little bit of spice. I'm going to put this aside for now. I'm just going to take the rest of the Snickerdoodle mix and just put it right on top of all that fruit. Kind of looks like snow-capped trees. It's kind of cute. Okay. Okay. Just make sure that that's kind of spread out like that. We're going to take our spice blend and sprinkle that on top as well. Ooh, that is some snickerdoodly, cinnamony goodness. That smells so good. Okay, so we've done that. I'm gonna turn this around. Oh my gosh, it smells like French toast. Okay, got a stick of butter, a butter cutter. Obviously, you could just use a knife if you want, but this is just easier. Push it down like that. Push it through to the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna take this, put this back, just dot these right on top. This last couple of pieces, this last one can just go right there. Perfect. And then I've got, this just came out, like I literally was in the store this morning and the Shirley Temple 7-Up apparently is here for the season because Shirley Temples are popular. Woo, and it didn't explode. Yay. Okay, and then we're just gonna pour this all over everything. You could use just a regular ginger ale or even just Sprite or 7-Up, but these seasonal flavors, I think you might as well take advantage of it. Oh, that is looking so good. Okay, and then this is gonna go into a 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. Look at this berry goodness. I'm gonna top everything with a little powdered sugar. I've got a tea strainer here, is the easiest way to do it. So just get a spoonful. That. Just put it into your tea strainer. And then just dust away. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Okay. Let's take a spoonful. Look, it's almost like a pie filling. Put that in there. You can serve this with some ice cream or some whipped cream if you want. I just like a little bit of the powdered sugar for this. And take it's so good. It's just berries and Snickerdoodle cookies as a casserole. I love this. Make this for your next get together. Everybody's gonna rave.